Hi, Barry Cross. In today's 4 reasons why you're not getting views on your YouTube videos, I'm going to show you a software that's totally free to use. Um, and this is reason number one. You're probably not using this software yet. It's called TubeBuddy, and it's been around for a lot of years now. So there'll be a link in the description where you can get more information on TubeBuddy. I'm going to give you some proof today. I'm going to show you a live demo of how I use the product. It will be a bit slow, the software today, because I'm filming a video and I'm also updating all the previous YouTube videos that I uploaded before I started using the TubeBuddy software. So if you start with a blank template and a brand new video, then the software runs a lot faster. So don't get disheartened by seeing some slow movement today. TubeBuddy is YouTube approved. Thousands and thousands of creators are now using the product and getting great results. And it takes about 3 to 4 months for the YouTube algorithms for you to start getting your best results with TubeBuddy. So don't get disheartened straight away if you use the product and you start to not see an increase in your views and you think, well, this is not really working, it's not for me. And they do tell you within their tutorials, you've got to wait 3 to 4 months to get best results, and then you'll really see things start to happen. So click subscribe and ring the bell icon for notifications if you enjoy videos like this. And they also do lots of make money online videos as well. I'm going to show you some proof of how things have started to work for me with search engine optimization on my videos. Just a quick proof here for you. So I've just typed into Google traffic ad bar review, and traffic ad bar is a program. It's a website traffic platform that I use to get traffic to my websites. And you'll see here, I've done some review videos on traffic ad bar, and I've used the TubeBuddy software already to start to optimize these and do the thumbnails. And I'm already ranking on page 1 of Google with one of my videos. And if we go into the video section of Google here, you'll see that I think 3 of my videos now are are on the first page and starting to move up the rankings very nicely. So there's the first one there, there's another one there, and there's another one there. So 3 out of the 10 on the first page of Google, and that's just in the very early days of using the software. So let's get into the live demo. This is a video that I've already uploaded to YouTube before I knew anything about ranking, search engine optimization, and getting more views. Because I wasn't getting the views, this is why I did some research on how to improve them. So what we're going to do is when you install the TubeBuddy software and you go into your YouTube studio, then the TubeBuddy icon will be in the top right hand corner here, and all you do is click on there and it opens up the dashboard. And we're going to go in today into launch the keyword explorer. Now this brings up a dial, and we're looking to get a really good score. Well, so actually, first of all, it brings up the keyword. It brings up the keyword. What's the word I'm looking for here? The keyword search window. That's the word I'm looking for. So what I'm going to do is I've done a little bit of previous research here, and this is the keyword. It's a long tail keyword that I'm going to target today. So we're just going to control and copy that, and we're going to go back into our software, and you're going to see the difference here in the previous optimization that I had and this current optimization we're going to go for here. So a dial's going to come up now, and we're going to have a look at the score, the overall score, what we're looking for. And you've got 2 categories. So you'll see here, for this long tail keyword, my score is excellent. And this is under the weighted category of my TubeBuddy information. Now you've got an unweighted one. The unweighted one is just for the it tells you that even though there's some competition, the search volume is high, and it's high enough for you to make the keyword great to target. So that's just an overall review. Now this one here is specific to your channel, so you must always click on the weighted one, because this score is specific to your channel and the types of videos that you're doing and the niche that you're marketing on your channel. So always, even though the unweighted might be a high score, you go on to weighted and make sure that you've got a good score on here again. I tend to go for anything that's over in this green part of the dial, anything that's over 70, because sometimes you're not always going to get excellent. We're going to go now into optimize. So we're going to use, because we've got a great score here, we're going to use this long tail keyword, and you'll see the old one that I had previously. So this was the old one that's pre-populated here, and you'll see I had a score of 9%, which is really why I wasn't getting any views or any engagement in the YouTube search or any of the Google or search engine rankings. So we're going to now get this score up to 100%. So the first thing we're going to do is change the title, and we're going to put in our target keyword in here. So let's just go back in here. We can copy and paste this for speed, just for speed in this video. Let's get rid of the old title. And what happens is when I put this new title in here, you'll see the dial in the top right hand corner start to go up to a higher percentage. And with the pre-populated one here, sometimes you've got to, with me doing an old video, it sometimes has to think about it a little bit, because it's already got information stored within the actual back office of YouTube. So let's just tidy this up a little bit, and you'll see underneath the dial it says how to improve your score. So you've got 6 different bullet points there that we're going to refer to, and we're going to go through those one by one. And as you complete those and the dial goes up, then you'll see your score improve. So let's just spell that correctly. We don't want to use the word level. We want level. All right. So you'll see 2 of these have already gone to green. Include your target keyword in the first 60 characters of the title. Include it naturally in the title, so it wants it to go more naturally there. The fastest growing multi-level market opportunity. Let's put in there in 20. Let's try that in 2021. So it wants you to make it a bit more readable for the viewers. What we're going to do here now is we're going to put the target keyword in the first 200 characters of the description, and then that's another part of the. So when you start creating YouTube videos, these are all the different little techniques and different strategies that you're not aware of when you start as a creator and you start to make your videos. So the TubeBuddy software, it works everything out for you. You don't have to think about anything. All you've got to do is follow the basic instructions. It's really user friendly. They have a channel where they go through on how to use the different functions of the software. Right, and what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to tidy up my description. So when you've got a blank template, what you'll do is you'll put in your own description, and I'm just going to do one just to save a bit of time here. I'm just going to copy and paste this into there. So what you'll do is you'll put your own description in there, and we're now on to 60%. So the dial's going up. When you do start with a blank template, then what will happen is the the dial will go up a lot quicker than this, so don't get discouraged. Just going to put my income disclaimers in there. We're not making any income claims, and the same goes for TubeBuddy as well. We're not making any claims here or any income claims if you're going to be an affiliate. So everything, as you see, is just copy and paste. It's really simple. You can either write your own description, or you can do what I'm doing. You can copy and paste from previous videos if you're doing a video series. So now we are up to 66%, and I think if I just play around with this a little bit, if I put that in on a blank template, that would probably go straight up to about 80 or 90%. So let's just see if we can get this up into fastest growing multi-level market opportunity in 2021. So let's see if we can get that up to, here we go, and we're now getting up to 81%. That might be as high as we're going to get here on this one. So we've got all the green boxes ticked on the right hand side here. So you can save to draft if you want to do. It's thinking about it. It's now gone to 90%. So that's going to be enough for now for the description. You'll see here across the top we've got tags, thumbnail, apply to video. You can either save it to draft if you want to come back to it later. And now I'm going to go on to next. And we're now going to put some tags in here. And we've just got 3 different bullet points here for the tags on how to improve your score. So you can see here, this is how we're going to get the score from 90% hopefully to 100%. The first tag is the most important, and it gives you a prompt there, and it pre-populates it by adding it now. You'll see we've gone from 90% to 95%, and then all we're going to do now to get it to 100% is put in some relevant tags. So I've just done these previously. You can copy these from previous videos if you've got some tags. There is a little tag list within the TubeBuddy software. Everything's can be saved within this software platform. It's just copy and paste, very, very user friendly. Let's put those tags in there and see if we can get up to 100%. So now we've got all of these ticked. We've got partial matches of the keyword. We've got relevant tags. We've got 467 out of 500 in there. And we've now got a TubeBuddy SEO score of 100%. So we took that right from being 50% to 100. And all you do, I'll just show you the last little bit here. We're going to go on to next. This is really important, so just stay with me. And I'm going to show you the next part is a thumbnail. I'm not going to do a thumbnail now because this is all to do about how to improve your views and SEO. So, but there are some thumbnail tips here. I'll do some more videos on how to do thumbnails with TubeBuddy. Very, very easy to do. You can either save draft in the bottom right hand corner. We're going to go on to next, and we're going to save this content. Again, you can save draft if you're not finished. I'm going to apply it to the video. Great job, your optimized title, description, and tags are ready. Let's apply that. Oh, excuse me. Let's apply that to the video. Now, the important part here is that once you've applied it, is that you save all the work that you've just taken the time to do. And it does prompt you to do that. So you'll see here when this next window comes up that you must click save to keep your changes. All right, I'll just highlight that for you. Click save to keep your changes. So we're going to close the SEO Studio. Let's just get rid of that. And then we're going to click on save in my YouTube Studio back office. In the top right hand corner here, click save, and all the work we've just created will be saved, and you can go back in there and you can make any changes you want to do. You can create your thumbnail. You can do an end screen. But the main thing is you've actually created your changes, and I'll go back in there later. You can add it to a playlist. I'll go back in there later on and show you how to do a thumbnail. So if you've enjoyed the video, please click subscribe. And if you've got any questions, leave those in the comments. If you've enjoyed the video, give me a like, and that will help me in my search engine rankings. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks very much, and bye for now.